Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of Microsoft Edge taking up space on your PC or you are simply looking to switch to a different browser, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11 PC, safely and step by step. No complicated commands, no confusing methods, just a simple and effective process that anyone can follow. So before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my latest Windows tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into the process. First, let me show you Microsoft Edge. As you can see, the uninstall button is grayed out and not clickable. So to uninstall Microsoft Edge, you'll need to use Vive Tool, which is available on GitHub. Click the link provided in the description. Scroll down and find Vive Tool v0.3.3. Click Assets. Then download the second file, which is the zip file. After the download finishes, open the folder where it was saved and extract the zip file. Now open the extracted folder and copy the folder path from the top. Click the search icon and search PowerShell. Right click it and choose Run as Administrator. In PowerShell, type cd and paste the folder path you copied earlier. Now paste the command I've given you in the description. Once the command finishes, restart your PC to apply the changes. After restarting, open this PC, go to local disk C:. Then open the Windows folder. Make sure hidden items are enabled so you can view all files. Now look for the System32 folder and open it. In the search bar, type Integrated. You will see a file named Integrated Services Region Policy Set.json. Right click this file and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and click Advanced. Here you will see the file owner set to Trusted Installer. We need to change that. Click Change, type Administrators and click Check Names. Once it's detected, click OK. Now select the administrators group again and click Edit. Give it full control, then click Apply and OK. At this point, you have full permission to edit the file. After make some changes on these files, we are able to uninstall Edge. But before that, we have to find our region code which we can add in this file. Click the search icon, type Registry Editor and run it as administrator. In the top address bar, paste the path provided in the description. Next to the name field, you will see your region code. Mine is PK, but yours may be different. Remember your region code, then close Registry Editor. Now search for Notepad, right-click it, and run it as administrator. Go to File, then Open. Navigate to the System32 folder again. Change the file type to All Files. Search for the integrated JSON file and open it. At the top block, you'll see a line saying Edge is uninstallable. Under it, you can see disabled written. Change it to enabled. Below that, you'll see a list of supported regions. Add your region code to the list, followed by a comma and space. Save the file. All done. Now just restart your PC again. After restarting, open Microsoft Edge one last time and then close it. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Now you will see the Uninstall button is no longer grayed out. Click Uninstall a couple of times and Microsoft Edge will be permanently removed from your system. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon for more helpful updates. Thanks for watching.